There's a whole family of kangaroos through there. There's about 5 of them. Well, they bounced away before I could film them. Well, this is one way I can tell that kangaroos are around at night time. They've nibbled this plum tree. I know what that looks like when they've nibbled, I can tell. Anyway, tonight I shall put out my infrared camera. Since they're so shy when I come around, may as well get them off guard when they're unaware at night time. There's a king parrot in the Aleppo pine. There's also a raven just arrived, so who's going to go first? I think the raven's so big it'll have to go first. Where's the raven? Oops, someone's going to throw their weight around. Who's going to go first? I guess the raven is entitled to go first. Oops, there you go. You'll fly off now, won't you? I don't know if it's a raven or a crow. I'm just reading all the instructions in my infrared camera. Let's look at the pretty one. Let's look at the pretty one, my little favourite. Aren't you gorgeous? Yes, the infrared camera isn't rocket science, but I've got to read the instructions to make the best use of it. Aren't you a pretty little thing? That's a pear, that one. I'm buying pears from now on because pears are cheaper. That's a male king parrot, judging by his red. We put a washer in the tripod so it's not so loose anymore. Hold still. That's Granny Smith. That's Granny Smith apple. Not a very good picture, is it, that one? Oh, there's somebody up in the tree. Who's that up in the tree? Somebody else. Some type of honey eater. That's Granny Smith apple. That's the sound of a red wattlebird. You're just sucking the juice out, aren't you? You're not swallowing the apple. So that's like drinking apple juice. It's just like drinking apple juice, isn't it? This type of photography is a very nice hobby. It gets you outdoors and lovely fresh air and sunshine. Two honey eaters are arguing. Two types of honey eaters are arguing there. Aren't you a pretty little thing? Well, you've had enough Granny Smith. Now you want some Red Delicious. Just foraging, apparently. I don't put seeds down here in case a cat comes when I'm not down here. Those cats are very smart. They can come around to this tree when I'm not around. Aren't you beautiful? You're so beautiful, aren't you? My feet are going to sleep. It knows I'm over here, doesn't it now? Have a drink of water. You're cleaning your beak on the branches, aren't you? I'll leave you alone for a while.